Hi, and welcome back to the Google Cloud Essentials course. This is Brandon, and in this lesson I'm going to walk you through really quickly how to go about installing the Google Cloud SDK on a Linux Academy cloud server. All right, so here I am logged in on my Linux Academy homepage. I'm going to click on Cloud Servers, and I'm going to start a new server, and we're going to use CentOS 7. All right, and we'll create server. Now this is going to be useful if you don't want to install the SDK in your local environment and you still want to practice some of the gcloud CLI functionality, or if you're going through a lab exercise, you'll want to go this route as well. You want to install gcloud on your lab instance and run it from there. All right, so that's spinning up now. I'll check back in a few and get logged in there and start setting up the SDK whenever it's ready. Okay, so I've got a public IP here now, so I'm just going to grab that. And I'm going to go to my terminal and I'm going to log in with my user account. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get logged in, and I'll use the default password. New password. Right, and I'll get logged in again with my password I just set. Alright, so now I need to go to the Google Cloud SDK page so I can get a link. So it's cloud.google.com/SDK. And we see this install for Linux. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to find here the appropriate version. And for me, it's going to be the 64-bit. So our cloud instances, our cloud servers are 64-bit. So I need this x86_64 file. And I'm going to copy that. So copy link location. And then I'm going to go back to my terminal and I'm going to do a wget and the link, and I'm going to download it. Okay, and now I'm going to unpack the tar file. So tar xvf, and then specify the file, and it'll unpack it right here. Just take a couple seconds. Okay, and before we run the installer, I want to verify that we have the correct version of Python. So I'm going to do a Python -v. So we're looking for a 2.7 release. Okay, so we've got 2.7.5. And you should have the same if you're using the same CentOS 7 cloud server image. So that's good. So now, going to run the installer. So it's in Google Cloud SDK that we just unpacked. And it's just install.sh. All right, and it's asking here if I'd like to participate in the usage data reporting. I'm going to say no on this one. And then it's asking if we want to modify our profile so gcloud CLI commands will show up in our path, and we want to say yes to that. And that's fine on the bashrc file. Okay. So now I should be able to exit and log back in. All right, and I should have gcloud. There it is. So gcloud, and we'll just do a help just to show that it works. All right, so there's our help file. All right, so that's all I want to cover in this short lesson. So go ahead and mark it complete and move on to the next. Thanks for taking the time, and bye for now.